keep hearing SEO anywhere you go on YouTube, but just that you don't understand what it is, do not worry. That's why this Grow with Trauma's page is here for you. This video right now, I'm going to be teaching you what is SEO, how you can optimize your video for you to get more views. So if you love videos like this, then do not stick to the end of this video. Hi, I'm Trauma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. And on this channel, I talk a lot about how to grow your YouTube, how to do your faceless content, finance, and a whole lot of things. So if you love things like this, do what to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification button so that you notify whenever a new video is being uploaded. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. And if you're among those that leave a nice and wonderful comments after watching my videos, serious, I made to tell you guys, it actually means a lot to me because it gives me the morale to say, okay, there are people that are actually motivating me to come back here to do more videos for you guys. So thank you. It means a lot to me. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about SEO. What is SEO? How to use it and why you should use it on your YouTube channel. That is what I'm going to be talking about. So without further ado, let's dive fully into this video. So first and foremost, what is SEO? SEO is also referred to as search engine optimization. Now this is the process where you optimize your video so it can make viewers to find your videos, and also it also helps your video is going to be ranking high when it comes to a search term. I hope you guys are understanding because I'm going to take you guys in details about this. Issues of YouTube, SEO is relating to using keyword that is relating to that video that you are actually making or that is relating to your niche. Okay, for example, let's say I made a video on how to grow your YouTube channel. There is no how I'm going to use a tag or a keyword on how to draw your eyebrow, how to buy a phone, how to no, because it is not relating to the video I just made. So you can see where the keyword and the tag comes in. So that is SEO for you. So SEO deals with keyword or tag that is related to that video you are making or that is relating to your niche. That is SEO for you. So using SEO on your videos is going to help your video to appear at the top feed or the home feed of your viewers, and it's going to make your views to rank high. See, if you have not started using SEO or optimizing your video, then do not worry, this video is here for you. There are different places on YouTube where you can incorporate SEO into your videos to help increase your views and to help you get your 4,000 watch hours fast and to help you get your $100 threshold fast. So now let's talk about the first place.
Now for this video, I'm going to be showing you places to include your SEO. You're going to come here and search for YouTube Studio. We are going to click on it. We're going to be using the desktop one, not the app one. I'm going to use Continue to Studio because I want to be directed to the website, not the app. So because I want to show you guys where you guys will do your search engine optimization, because there are many places to optimize your video so that your video can be able to go viral, and video can be able to have views, and so that people can be able to find your video whenever they want to look for your video. This is what my YouTube Studio look like, the desktop one. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to come to this icon and click my content. If you notice, there are contents I've not uploaded, this and this. So I want to use this one as the one we're going to use, for example. Now if you can see from here, we have the title, we have the descriptions, we have a playlist, we have tags, we have end screen, we have cards. Now for you to optimize your video, first of all, we are going to be starting with the title, but this is one of the important things. So it needs to be interesting so that people can click it. So make sure you include your keywords in the title. And this video, the main reason of this video, should I say, the topic of this video has to do with niche. So I'm going to come here because it's something that has to do with niche. I'm going to add my tag and my keyframe and everything, and I'm going to add my tag and my keyword, has to do with niche. So I'm going to come here and just type in This is a sign not to pick that niche. Remember, because the video I want to do has to do with niche, that's why there's something like niche here. I'm also going to come here and type in should you pick a niche or no niche for YouTube? Now, if you check the title, you can see, because what I want to talk about is niche. See it here, niche. This is a sign not to pick that niche. Should you pick a niche or not, or no niche for YouTube? For YouTube, I'll not come here and put hashtag. I'm going to put in niche. So the first optimization has been done, which is the title, and I'm going to click in save because I want everything to be saving immediately. Then the next one is thumbnail. You are going to work your thumbnail, and if you want to do your thumbnail, make sure that your thumbnail has to have that keyword that you are talking about. Now remember, in this video, the keyword I'm going to be using has to do with niche, because that's the keyword and that's the main thing I'm talking about in the video. Now if I want to do a thumbnail, my thumbnail has to do with I regret picking a niche for my YouTube channel, or picking a niche destroyed my YouTube channel. Like, there's niche here, so I have two thumbnail in my head. It's either I regret picking a niche or picking a niche destroyed my YouTube channel. Or I can come here and type in this is how picking a niche destroyed my YouTube. This is how picking a niche destroyed my YouTube. I will come here, my YouTube channel. Now you can see that my title has something to do with niche. So now, because I've already done this is how picking a niche destroyed my YouTube channel, I am going to come in my title and now say I regret picking a niche. It's just that simple. So you can say this is how picking a niche, 1, destroyed my YouTube channel. Should you pick a niche or not? 2, you can see. Then in my thumbnail, I'm going to include that keyword niche in it, because algorithm scans my thumbnail if you know what my thumbnail is talking about. Now the next thing again is this description box. This box, you have to pick it. You have to make sure that your description box has your keyword. I'm not going to go to chat GPT. I'm going to come to this chat GPT here, and I'm going to type in I made a video on should you pick a niche or not when starting a YouTube channel, and how picking a niche destroyed my YouTube channel. So I want you to generate to generate what I will put in my description, my description box, and with top ranking keyword for my views to increase. So that for my views to increase, and so that people, and so that the video can be searchable. Now you can see how ChatGPT is going to generate a message or things to add in your description box so that it will be able for you to. Now you can see title, should you pick a niche? How picking a niche destroyed my YouTube channel. Remember, it has given us title, should you pick a niche? How picking a niche destroyed my. I remember here I said this is how picking a niche destroyed my YouTube channel. Should you pick a niche or not on YouTube? So you can see I'll just told you guys this is how it is going to be. Now for your description, are you struggling to decide whether to pick a niche for your YouTube channel? In this video I'm going to then this video is for you. What exactly? Then don't forget to like. Then this is the keyword. See, it even gave us keywords to include. Now we are just going to come here and copy this one because I've already had my title, and if you check the title, even before I even generated this, because the title is already matching with what is generating. So I'm going to copy this. Are you a creator wondering if then this after your description box, the next thing again is your hashtag. Now you have to pick a hashtag that is relating to what you are saying, that's relating to your niche. But remember, please, when you want to pick a hashtag, even if you want 100 hashtag, 50 hashtag, make sure that the first 3 hashtag is the most important, please. So when you want to pick out the first 3 hashtag, please pick the best, because YouTube love using those first 3. I'm not saying YouTube doesn't use other hashtag or no. What I'm trying to say that you see those first 3, those are the ones that YouTube actually love using. Now we are going to come here to include our hashtag. We are going to come here and give space, and then come here and write hashtag niche hashtag picking a niche for YouTube, hashtag niche research. Now these are my first 3 hashtag. It doesn't mean that I'm not going to add other hashtag in it. I will still. So I'll come here and write hashtag YouTube tips, hashtag YouTube, good. So now I've added like the hashtag I want to add. I'm still going to come back here again and click on save. Remember, anything I do, I'm going to click on save. Now after that, the next place again you are going to optimize your video is through your after that, the next place you are going to optimize your video again is through your tag. Please, it's through your tag. Now in this case, there are a lot of tags to use, but let me just give you a little bit of expo. Now let me not give you a little bit of expo now. Let's say I don't want to generate tag by myself, or I just want people that I will get tag from. I will go over to YouTube. I'll come over to YouTube here. Nobody's going to tell you this. I'll come over to YouTube here, and I'm going to type in. I'll come over to YouTube here and write that topic I want to talk about, picking a niche A video I want to use, I'm going to come here, click on share, click on copy link here, click on copy link. I will go back to my Chrome again and come here and click on YouTube tag extractor. I'm going to come here and click on YouTube tag extractor. Then this first one, this two brancher, I'm going to come here, click here. You can see I visit here often. So I'm going to come here, tap here and paste that link and extract tag from that video. Now you can see here is self-improvement mindset, personal on online marketing. No, this is not relating to what I want. And as a beginner, I have to make sure I look for a video that the tag is relating to something. Click here, click on share, click on copy link, move back here again, paste here and click on here and click on extract tag for this. Now you can see how to pick a niche, YouTube niche idea, how to YouTube niche, how to find your niche, how to find your niche. Exactly. I'm going to click on copy selected. So I'm going to go back again here and now come here and paste what I got. Then I'm not going to come here and click on, I'll come here and click on save. I'm going to come here and click on save. Now let's say you don't like what I gave you. Another way for you to get tag again is by coming here and typing in wrap. Come here and type in rapidtag.io for it to help you to generate your tag. So I'm going to come here and type on this, and also I will allow it to load so that I can be able to put in what I want you to do. So you can see use tag generator. Remember, I want you to generate my tag for me. Now if you want to use this, it says enter your next YouTube video title. Now my title is should you pick a niche for YouTube and how picking, no, let me just write this, should you pick a niche for YouTube. Then I'm going to come here and click on, it has already generated the idea for me. So you can see the ID tag, how to pick a niche, how to find a niche for YouTube and everything. Now you're just going to come down here and click on copy tag and paste. Now because we already have a tag, so I'm going to compare. Now you can see the first one is how to pick a niche and YouTube niche idea. How to pick a niche and YouTube niche idea is here. So you can see, guys, you can see. So this is how you can optimize your video. How to find a niche. Okay, YouTube tip for beginners. I'm going to come here, YouTube tips for beginners is not here, so I'm going to come here and type in, YouTube tips for beginners. Then I'll go back again. It says, should you pick a niche? Finding a niche on YouTube. Should you pick a niche? Finding your niche on YouTube. Yeah, is here. So I'm going to go back here again and say how YouTube niche, how to choose a niche. And so these are ways for you to optimize your videos. So you can see here I wrote title, I wrote my descriptions, and I wrote my tag. Then for extra tips, I'm going to just add card and end screen. So this is how to optimize your video. So if you want more videos like this, do well to leave it in the comment section. And we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please do well to like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a nice and wonderful comment in the comment section. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So this is how to optimize your video, and this is how to go around your SEO. If you enjoy videos like this, then please do what to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.